Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful and long-awaited flagship cameras from Nikon, the Nikon Z9 II. The original Z9 was a beast in photography and filmmaking, but Nikon just took things to a whole new level. In this video, we will explore all the new upgrades, new features, performance improvements, video capabilities, autofocus enhancements, design refinements, and everything that makes the Z9 II a true monster for professionals. So let's begin. The Nikon Z9 II is the successor to the highly respected Nikon Z9, built for professionals who demand speed, reliability, and top-class image performance, with huge improvements in processing power, autofocus, video recording formats, buffer performance, and workflow options. The Z9 II is designed for wildlife shooters, sports photographers, filmmakers, wedding videographers, and high-end content creators. Nikon has kept the rugged design of the original Z9 but upgraded the engine inside the body. One of the biggest upgrades in the Nikon Z9 II is the addition of the dual-speed processors. This results in faster overall performance, better image processing, smoother real-time autofocus calculations, more efficient handling of 8K video, faster readout speed with fewer rolling shutter issues. This dual processor power is the reason the Z9 II feels significantly more responsive than the original Z9. While Nikon maintains a 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor, the Z9 II includes upgraded readout circuitry that enhances dynamic range, low light noise control, color accuracy, faster sensor readout for video. This means more details in shadows, cleaner nighttime shots, and better overall clarity. One of the most talked about updates is the completely redesigned autofocus system. The Z9 II features upgraded AI subject detection, improved tracking for humans, animals, birds, cars, bikes, airplanes, trains, much more reliable eye detection AF, especially in dark conditions, better sticky tracking, meaning your subject stays locked even when moving unpredictably, faster acquisition for sports and wildlife. Nikon also expanded the detection range, making it easier to lock focus even at long distances. The Nikon Z9 II now provides 30 FPS RAW continuous shooting, up to 60 FPS FPIG, reduced blackout, and faster refresh rate. A massively expanded buffer, allowing longer sequences without slowing down. This makes the Z9 II a dream camera for action photographers. Nikon has put serious focus on filmmaking this time. Key video improvements: 8K 6OP internal, 8K 3OP oversampled for sharper detail, 4K 1-OP for slow motion, 12-bit UNRAW and ProRes RAW internal. Better heat management for longer recordings, cleaner rolling shutter, improved exposure tools, enhanced color science. Colors are richer, skin tones are more accurate, and dynamic range is broader thanks to better oversampling and processing. Audio upgrades: Nikon improved internal audio processing and added more flexibility for external microphones. This makes the Z9 II a true hybrid video powerhouse. The in-body image stabilization system now offers up to 8 stops of compensation, better performance with telephoto lenses, more stable handheld video recording. This is especially helpful for wildlife and documentary shooters who rely on handheld shooting. Nikon kept the same rugged, weather-sealed body but improved button feel and tactile feedback, grip comfort, heat dissipation, EVF clarity with higher refresh stability, faster menus, and deeper customization options. Overall, the Z9 II feels more polished and professional than its predecessor Z9 II. Includes faster Wi-Fi speeds, expanded Bluetooth options, improved FTP transfer, better power efficiency, new firmware-based workflow tools, support for high-speed SpecExpress Type B cards. This helps professionals deliver faster in fast-paced environments, thanks to improved processing efficiency. The NL18 battery performs better, giving you longer shooting and video recording times. The Nikon Z9 beats its previous model and competes with flagship cameras because faster autofocus than Z9, better low-light performance, more powerful dual processors, higher video recording stability, better tracking for wildlife, sports, improved buffer and burst shooting, enhanced dynamic range, more professional workflow flexibility. This makes the Z9 II one of the most complete hybrid cameras in 2025. The Nikon Z9 II is not just a small upgrade. It's a serious leap forward for creators. Whether you're shooting weddings, wildlife, sports, documentaries, or cinematic films, this camera gives you next-level speed, clarity, color performance, and video power. If you're thinking about upgrading or switching to a flagship mirrorless system, the Z9 II is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and camera reviews.